for it, because I'm going to come back to Exotic Driving Experiences on Friday and do a proper drive and review of this car. I'm going to be able to take it wherever I want. They're going to give me the keys and I'm going to be able to do whatever I want with it. And that is where I'm going to talk about, should the Mustang replace the Audi A1. Not a Shelby GT350, because can't get them in the UK, and if I wanted to, I'll probably have to wait 18 months to 2 years before one gets built, and then I'm going to have to import it over. So it is good fun though. The mad thing is that I'm already used to the left-hand drive, right-hand manual gear shift. In the Ford Focus RS, I really didn't get used to it. And whenever anyone asked me how was it, I said I can't really tell because I just didn't get used to it. But and then like rev match, well, I'm doing that myself. Getting some bangs. Just keeps on revving as well. It revs to just over 8,000 RPM. Ah! Oh, I just want to drive this car all the time.